Joshua D. Angrist, Innovator in Labor Economics and Econometric Methods. Joshua David Angrist, born on September 18, 1960 in Columbus, Ohio, is a renowned labor economist celebrated for his pioneering contributions to econometrics, particularly in the use of natural experiments to study causal relationships. His work has profoundly impacted labor economics, education economics, and policy analysis, making him one of the most influential economists of his generation. Early life and education. Angrist grew up in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. He began his academic journey at Oberlin College in Ohio, earning a bachelor's degree in economics in 1982. His early career as an economic analyst sparked his interest in advanced economic research, leading him to pursue a PhD in economics at Princeton University. Under the mentorship of influential economists like Orley Ashenfelter, Angrist completed his doctorate in 1989. His dissertation focused on the econometric analysis of labor markets, specifically examining the effects of military service on lifetime earnings. Academic career. Angrist's academic career began at Harvard University, where he served as an assistant professor from 1989 to 1991. He then moved to Hebrew University of Jerusalem, where he was a faculty member until 1996, developing a keen interest in Israeli-Palestinian labor markets and producing several influential studies. In 1996, Angrist joined the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, as a professor of economics. He has remained at MIT since, holding various prestigious positions, including the Ford Professor of Economics. Angrist is also a co-director of the MIT School Effectiveness and Inequality Initiative, SEII, focusing on the causes and consequences of educational inequality. Contributions to econometrics and labor economics. Joshua Angrist is best known for his methodological contributions to econometrics, particularly the development and application of instrumental variables, IV, and regression discontinuity designs, RDD, to identify causal relationships in non-experimental data. His research often focuses on labor economics, education, and the evaluation of public policies. Instrumental variables. One of Angrist's key contributions is the advancement of instrumental variables techniques. These techniques address issues of endogeneity and omitted variable bias in observational studies, allowing for more credible causal inference. In his seminal paper with Alan Kruger, Angrist used the quarter of birth as an instrument to estimate the returns to education, demonstrating how IV methods can derive causal relationships from observational data. Natural experiments. Angrist has pioneered using natural experiments to study economic questions. Natural experiments exploit real-world situations where external factors create conditions similar to a randomized experiment. Notably, Angrist's research on the impact of military service on lifetime earnings, using the Vietnam-era draft lottery as a natural experiment, isolated the causal effect of military service on subsequent earnings, providing valuable insights into the economic consequences of military conscription. Regression discontinuity designs. Another significant methodological contribution from Angrist is his work on regression discontinuity designs, RDD. RDD exploits cutoff points in assignment variables to identify causal effects. Angrist's research has applied RDD to various contexts, including educational policies and social programs, providing robust evidence on their impacts. Education and policy research. Angrist's research extends beyond methodological innovations to substantive areas like education and labor markets. He has conducted extensive research on the effectiveness of charter schools, teacher quality, and educational interventions. Charter schools. Angrist's studies on charter schools, particularly in Boston, have provided critical insights into their effectiveness. By using lotteries for school admission as natural experiments, he and his colleagues have estimated the causal impact of charter school attendance on student achievement. Their findings suggest that charter schools, particularly those with no excuses policies, significantly improve student outcomes, influencing debates and policies on school choice. Teacher quality. Another area of Angrist's research focuses on the importance of teacher quality. He has examined how teacher effectiveness varies and the impact of different teacher characteristics on student performance. His findings highlight the substantial variation in teacher quality and its critical role in shaping student outcomes, informing policies on teacher recruitment, training, and evaluation. Education interventions. Angrist has also evaluated various educational interventions aimed at improving student performance. For example, his work on cash incentives for students in Israel provided evidence on how financial incentives can affect student achievement and effort, contributing to broader discussions on performance-based incentives in education. Honors and awards. Joshuaangrist's contributions to economics have been widely recognized. In 2021, he was awarded the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences, shared with David Card and Guido W. Imbens, for their methodological contributions to the analysis of causal relationships. This prestigious award highlights the profound impact of Angrist's work on empirical economics. Angrist is also a Fellow of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences and the Econometric Society. He has received numerous other awards and honors, including the John von Neumann Award and the Society of Labor Economists' Mincer Prize, recognizing his outstanding contributions to labor economics. Influence and legacy. Angrist's methodological innovations in substantive research have had a lasting impact on economics. His work has set new standards for empirical research, emphasizing the importance of credible causal inference in economics. By developing and applying rigorous econometric techniques, Angrist has influenced a wide range of fields, including labor economics, education, health economics, and public policy. His research on education and labor markets has informed policymakers and practitioners, providing evidence-based insights that have shaped policies and practices. Angrist's emphasis on using natural experiments has inspired a new generation of economists to employ these methods in their research, furthering the field's empirical rigor. Teaching and mentorship. Beyond his research, Joshuaangrist is known for his dedication to teaching and mentoring students. At MIT, he has trained numerous PhD students who have gone on to make significant contributions to economics. Angrist's ability to convey complex econometric concepts in an accessible manner has made him a highly regarded educator. Personal life. Despite his professional achievements, Angrist is known for his humility and approachability. He maintains strong connections with his students and colleagues, fostering a collaborative and supportive academic environment. Angrist's personal experiences, including his time in Israel, and his diverse academic background, have enriched his research perspectives and contributed to his empathetic approach to economic analysis. Conclusion. Joshua D. Angrist's work has fundamentally transformed the field of econometrics and labor economics. Through his innovative use of natural experiments and instrumental variables, he has provided new insights into causal relationships, advancing both academic understanding and policy analysis. His research on education, labor markets, and policy evaluation has had a profound impact on both theory and practice. As a scholar, teacher, and mentor, Angrist's legacy will continue to shape the field of economics for years to come.